Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to play Tetris game on command prompt. Yes, you heard right. So let's get started. Go to search bar, type command prompt. As we are on the top here, command prompt option here. Open it. Now you have to type the code which I'm putting. pkgmgr slash iu colon telnet client. As you can see here, which I have put code here. Here we can copy this code from description box. Just press the enter key. Now you have again to put the code. Hmm, okay, I can see telnet towel.blinkenlights.nl. After putting this code, you have to press the enter key. Like you can see it's running on my command prompt screen. Uh, as you can see, it's an Star Wars animated. Now soon my game will start. So it's a Tetris game. It's started by Star Wars animated graphics. As you can see, episode 4 New Hope. Now our game will start soon. It is a period of civil war. It's a fantastic game, and it's just a two lines code. Anyone can use it. It's very simple. And you can see here, it is a period of civil war. Rebel spaceship striking from high. Just press the enter key to start the game. Now after the summary, the game will start. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to play Tetris game using just two lines code. I hope you like it. If you have any query regarding the game, you can put down in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.